If we take a look at our schematic, the total length of our top is 26 inches, and the total width of our base is 24 inches. This gives us a 1-inch overhang on the left side and the right side. If we take a look at the depth of our top of 13 inches and the depth of our side at 12 inches, this gives us 1-inch overhang in the front and the top being flush along the back edge. Now the good side of my top I'm going to put face down. I'm going to remove my shelves and turn the cabinet upside down. And then my objective is to center the base of the bookshelf on the top, having a 1-inch overhang on the left and right side and a 1-inch overhang on the front. And on the inside edge, we'll put a couple reference marks. Then we can tip the project back. Next, we can apply glue to all of the mating surfaces and install it back onto our project. Lining up our reference marks. And I'll add a couple clamps to the front to hold everything in place. And wipe any glue. Now, because most people will pick up this project from the top, I want to make sure to use a mechanical fastener. So I'm going to drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole, having the bit set so it does not drill through the top of the project. We'll drill our pilot hole, a couple of those, and install a couple pan head screws. And we'll keep the clamps on for 24 hours.